Programming your key fob for a 1996-2012 Nissan Pathfinder can save you money. This video covers how to do it yourself. These Pathfinders use a system where the fob's code needs to match the vehicle's computer to work, preventing theft. The process involves syncing the remote transmitter with your car's immobilizer and body control module using radio signals. You'll need a compatible key fob, your ignition key, and sometimes an OBD2 diagnostic tool, available online for $20–$50. A 2024 survey showed that 35% of vehicle owners attempt DIY programming to avoid dealership fees. For 2005 to 2012 models, connecting an OBD2 port may be needed. Insert your key into the ignition. Cycle it between the off and on positions a specific number of times, usually 4 to 5 times within 10 seconds. Then, press the buttons on your key fob to pair it with your car. Incorrect programming can trigger error codes. If you face issues, an OBD2 scan might help, like in a case on nissanpathfinder.org. Be careful and make sure to follow the process exactly to avoid locking the ECU, which would require a tow to a shop. Always verify the fob frequencies to prevent security risks, since cloned fobs account for 10% of vehicle thefts in older models. Also, make sure you have the correct fob type, 3 or 4 button.